What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alex Costa. I am here with Robbert Maldonado and today we are going to be doing my hair, man. It's been so long since I've been in the salon here to get something done with my hair. I figured it's a very long hair that I have going on right now and I'm probably going to cut it very soon. Robbert came up with the idea of doing 3 different hairstyles for this hair length. So we're going to get a little trim, not too much.
Yeah.
Not too much. And then we're going to style it in 3 different ways. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Who would have thought that the next time that I sat on this chair here would be with long hair like this, man? What an exciting, not really, just weird year 2020 was. But here are the lengths of my hair. I know you guys are gonna be asking. Well, basically the last time I cut my hair was in March of 2020, so it's been over a year. And the last time I got a trim was in June of 2020, so it's been about 8 months since that. Up top, my hair is about 10 inches. On the sides, we got about 6-7 inches. And in the back, about 8 inches long. So today we are gonna get a trim from top to bottom, just getting rid of those dead ends since my hair is long enough to get a trim and still get a bun going, which is very important to me. I definitely wanna make sure that I can still put it into a bun because that's kind of the hairstyle that I was going for in the first place. Robbert is an absolute magician with the scissors, so he's gonna trim up those dead ends, make my hair look really, really good. If you guys want to check out Robbert, he cuts at Daniel Alfonso Men's Salon. I'll leave that linked in the description below. You guys can go and check it out. That's where I always go for my haircuts. Remember guys that I have not gotten a trim since June. If you're trying to let your hair grow, do not get trims every month or every 2 months. It's counterproductive. Your hair is not going to get long if you keep trimming your hair every month or 2. So that's why the last trim I got was in June. After trimming my hair, we are gonna add some Forte series argan oil. This hydrating oil makes your hair feel so smooth, so nice and shiny. I absolutely love the way this smells as well. You can see Robbert really liked it too. And then we are going to start blow drying my hair. Blow drying long hair is actually not as hard as you would think. It's the same thing as blow drying short hair, but as you can see, Robbert is doing it with a round brush, and in the end, he twists the round brush to add a little bit of that wave. And you can choose the direction in which the wave goes into, whether it's into your face or out, to give it that really cool wavy look. After blow drying my hair, Robbert is going to use the Forte Series Texture Spray, our brand new product, to add tons of texture to my hair, and it works so freaking well, man. I love this product. And then the Forte Series Molding Paste just on the sides to kind of tuck my hair behind my ear here, behind my ear to make sure that it stays. And this was funny, after Robbert did it, he's like, man, your hair is so thick, there's so much hair, let's texturize it even more with the scissors. So he thinned it out with the scissors and it just feels so much lighter now on my head. The first style that I want to show you guys here is basically a side part but with really long hair, right? I really like this hairstyle. I think it looks amazing. You have volume, you have that flowiness that looks really cool. It's kind of like between a side part and a side swept look, and I really enjoy this look. This is what I wear most of the time when I shoot my videos for you guys. Now the second hairstyle that I want to show you guys is the middle part. And the middle part is just a really cool vintage look that has been around forever. You've seen Leonardo DiCaprio rock this, you've seen Brad Pitt rock this. Pretty much every celebrity has rocked the middle part. It looks so cool, very careless, very young, and I love this look. I kind of just brush my hair back with my hands and then let the hair fall to either of the sides, and that is the best way of styling a middle part. The third hairstyle that I want to show you guys today is a more of a slick back look. So to achieve this hairstyle, you're gonna need a little bit of hairspray or some type of, strong product like my Texture Clay from Forte Series, and just really slick that hair back behind your ears and then up top as well. Just slick it back, not too slicked because you still want a little bit of volume up top here, as you can see. Otherwise, your hair looks flat, and that's not what we're going for. The main point of this hairstyle is to get the hair slicked back behind your ears. This hairstyle is really cool if you're wearing a suit. It's a classy hairstyle that I think goes well with a more dressed up look. And last but not least, this is my favorite hairstyle. I can't lie. The bun has always been a goal of mine. I've always wanted to have a proper man bun, and this was the time to do it. This is kind of a messy bun. It's super chill. It's not super slick back. There's some volume up top still. You can see that it's kind of loose in the back there, and it looks really cool. And this is the type of hairstyle that, you have long hair, you want to leave your house real quick, you just put it into a bun and you leave, and it looks awesome, dude. It looks really, really cool. I love the man bun. I am all about it. And let me tell you, girls absolutely love the man bun too. It's definitely a look, and it has been one of the biggest trends for 2020 and 2021. So I'm gonna be rocking this for a little while longer. Now that you can see the 4 hairstyles here side by side, which one of the 4 hairstyles would you pick if you had long hair? Which one of these did you like better? Let me know in the comment section down below, guys. All right, so there you have it. 4 different men's hairstyles for long hair. Thank you, Robert, for hooking it up. It's been a while since we've done something like this, so I don't want to leave you hanging. There you go. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to check out Robert's channel as well. He cuts here at Daniel Alfonso Men's Salon, and then on Saturdays at the Men's Groomer. So make sure to go check it out. I'll leave all of that listed in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe.
Peace.